I'm Patrick Bailey with Whiteboard Coder. Today is December 23rd, 2023. In this video, I'm going to be replacing the headlights on my 2000 Toyota Sienna. Okay, and real quick before we get into it, this is in my show notes, but just to show you what I bought. So this is the Philips Automotive Lighting 9003 Night Guide Platinum Upgrade Headlight Bulb Pack of 2. That's what I purchased from Amazon. It's going for a little under 40 bucks. That's what we'll be using. So that'll be in the show notes, helping anyone out to find one that's actually going to work for your vehicle. There's probably some other ones, but this is what I'm using right now, and it seems to be working just fine. Now with that, let's actually get to the repair. Okay, again, here are the replacement lights. Philips 9003 NG-PS2. That's one we're replacing. So, this one's actually pretty easy to replace. So we'll swap both of them out. So if you come here, here's the headlight. See if you can see back here. There's the connection right here. So we'll first pull this out, kind of wiggle back and forth and grab that piece. And let me leave that light there if I can. Okay, that pops out. And then this rubber piece just kind of comes out. Set that aside. And you can see here's the end of the light. And you can see there's 3 prongs, and this middle one's on the top. Now there's a little wire back here that holds it. So you push that in, and it pops out. Easy peasy. And then we'll pull the old light bulb out. I'll just set it aside. Don't forget about it. And we'll pop a new one in. So I'll get that metal piece up and out of the way, right? But we got to make sure that top is on the top. That middle piece is on the top. So let's put it in there. You can see it all lines up really nicely. Put this guy back in. Latch her on. So you can see all that. It's all nice and good. Then we can take this rubber piece here again. Stick her back on over. Make sure we're getting that in there. There we go. Okay, and then plug it back in. That's it. Okay, so now let's go do the other side.
What do you do with the old one?
The old one, it's toast, so we're gonna toss it. So, okay, now over here, same procedure. It's a little tighter back here, but not too bad. Wiggle that guy out. Pull them out. Pull the rubber piece out here. And then we got that same latch. Push it in, unhook it, pull it all the way out. Pull the light bulb out. Now, other light bulbs are actually fine on this side, but since we're replacing them, might as well replace them both so they're the same brightness. But the one's probably getting old too. Okay, so put the new one in, put that middle on the top, right there. There you go. It all hooks in there nice. Oh, get in there. Hook that back in. There you go. Let's get this gasket back on. A rubber piece. See, it kind of all goes in there nice. And then we'll plug it back in. Easy peasy. And then we'll go turn it on and make sure that they're both working. So let me go start the car up here. Always a good idea to have someone with you so they can check and make sure all those lights are working. Okay, so lights. And then I can go high beam, make sure that works. And also it's a good idea while someone's up there, test your blinkers. You should probably know they're okay, but there's my left, there's my right. And also make sure someone tests the back and also test the brakes. Test everything while you're there. Make sure all the lights are good, which we actually did. So we're good. All right. That's it. That was easy peasy. Hopefully this van never dies. We keep fixing things, but it's the first time we replaced the front headlight, so we're good. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.